Milk and alcohol. Sounds good? We'll see, because today we are making a cocktail with milk. Welcome back, ladies and gents. My name is Johnny. This is Simple Drinks. The cocktail we are making today is called Barbara. The original recipe of this cocktail can be found in a book from 1977 called Complete Bar Guide by, I think, Stanley M. Jones. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is a little bit altered version. So it's really simple to make, 3 ingredients only. So without further ado, let's make a Barbara. We are starting with vodka, 45 mils. One and a half ounce, followed by 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce of white creme de cacao. For that chocolate taste. And the final touch, milk, 45 mils, 1.5 ounce. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake it for 10 to 12 seconds. Oh, look at that, look at that. Smells nice. Now we need a chilled cocktail glass. And we're going to double strain the cocktail into our chilled glass. And for garnish, we need just a little bit of grated nutmeg. I have here just a little bit. This is all I got. So. Yeah, that's about it. That's it, ladies and gents. Barbara. Cheers. It's nice, it's chocolate, not too strong, you can taste vodka. It's mostly milk and creme de cacao, that's chocolate taste. And the nutmeg gives its own aroma. It's a little bit watered down, maybe if added just a little bit of cream, but it's not bad. If you're down to experiment with milk, it's interesting. So I'll give this one, I don't know, 7 out of 10 because it tastes like chocolate and I like milk. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a Barbara, real easy to make, 3 ingredients only. If you like milk, if you like to experiment with milk, try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I'd like to hear your opinion about this one. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe. It means a lot, it helps the channel. Thank you very much for your support and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.